safe to eat and sanitary, too.
Who's hungry? Welcome, tourists, to Chew and Swallow.
That is one big mayor.
Delight in our nacho cheese hot springs. Allow your kids to eat all the junk food they want in our completely unsupervised kids zone.
I've got jelly beans for tea!
And when the fun is done, gaze upon the sunset cresting over Mount Leftovers, from which we're protected by a presumably indestructible dam. We've got people here today from all around the world, from as far as China to West Virginia.
Flint, you need to look at this.
Why aren't you on TV? You're supposed to be broadcasting this.
There's a problem. I think the food's getting bigger.
I know, it's great. Bigger portion sizes. Everyone loves it.
Flint, I'm not sure we're doing the right thing here.
Sam,
what if
listen,
we've bitten off more than we can chew?
For the first time in my life, everybody loves something that I've done. Why can't you just be happy for me and go say the weather or something? Jeez.
And without further ado, our town's hero and my metaphorical son, Flint Lockwood. Brent, we're gonna need you to hand over the ceremonial scissors.
No! You can't!
Go.
You can't take them! No! A baby Brent! Uh-oh!
Put your clothes back
Who am I?
Go ahead, Flint. Everybody loves you.